Teaching kids sight words or any subject might seem challenging at times, and that's completely okay. Every child learns at their own pace, and as a parent, your patience and creativity makes a big difference. Hi everyone. Today we are learning all about sight words. Sight words are the words that we need to recognize right away without sounding them out. And you all know that teaching sight words to children is an important part of building reading fluency. One of the most effective method what I found to teach my kids is flashcards. Show the flashcard, say the word and have the child repeat it. Here I took a plain notebook and wrote all the words one by one. Mix up the order of the words to ensure the child recognizes them and isn't just memorizing the sequence. So show them different words at times and make them repeat it, and they will learn gradually.
Or his. Arohi, it's a knot.